can you ride your bike? Where you going, Luke? Luke, where are you going?
Help.
You need help?
Yeah.
Where are you going? Are you gonna go home?
Yeah.
What color is your bike?
Oh.
It's orange
Yeah.
and black.
More.
It's orange.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where are you gonna go see? You gonna see Grandpa
Yeah.
and Grandma? See Grandpa?
Yeah.
Can you sign Grandpa and Grandma?
Momo.
Yeah, Mama.
Mhm.
And go see your uncles? Yeah. Who else you wanna go see?
Us.
You wanna go see your cousins? You wanna go see your cousins? You wanna go play? What else you wanna do? Ooh, you gonna read the paper?
Yeah.
What does it say?
Orange.
Is it, what color is it?
Blue.
It's blue?
Oh.
Oh, is it white
Bye.
and red? Oh, you finished?
Yeah.
Say finished. Say finished.
Bye.
Bike? Where's Daddy? He's at work? Where's Daddy work? Daddy works where? No, where's Daddy work? Orange what? What's orange?
That's
The light's orange? The light?
arm.
Yeah. Does Daddy went to football practice? Practice, yeah. Daddy went to football practice? He ate a cookie?
Yeah.
Oh, you want a cookie?
Yeah.
After we eat supper? You want to eat some chicken? Can you sign chicken?
Papa.
Papa?
Kitchen.
What? You want some chips?
Yeah.
Yeah, later.
Little.
Yeah. Where's Daddy, Luke? Practice. Yeah. Luke, how old are you? One. Good.
Dada.
One duck on the movie, right? Yeah. Luke, can you show me your nose? Can you show me your mouth? Can you show me your ears? Can you show me your fingers? Good. Where's your belly button? Good, Luke. Where's your knees? Where's your knees? Your legs? Your knees? Remember your knees? Where's your cheeks? Aha, there's your cheeks.
Mama.
All right, say bye-bye.
No.
Say I love you.
No.
No.
Da.
You want to get down?
Yeah.
Say please.
See?
Say please. Help. Help. Can you say help? Sign help.
Who?
Help.
No.
Say, yeah, you can get down by yourself. Say big boy.
Oh, boy.
Big boy.
See?
Cheese.